This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Kimble. Great floor plan. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with an office. From the tiled entry to the back screen door, this home is immaculate and move-in ready. The kitchen features granite countertops, breakfast bar and large pantry. The front office space has French doors and is currently being used as a music room. The new owner would also enjoy the oversized laundry room, plenty of closet and storage space, and ample size backyard with covered patio. Burleson ISD. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimble at 817-688-9372.